Hello everyone, in today's video I'll talk about on how you can fill text in Lightburn. So let's jump into it. The first thing that I'm going to do is to simply put my text onto my canvas. And basically from there, let's go ahead and adjust it in the center. Right after, it's really simple to simply fill your text. You just want to click on the color option, which is going to be this one. Now, in my case, I want the outline to be black. And for the mode, you want to change this into something like fill. And then, of course, from there, you then want to finally select the color of that specific fill. So once again, in my case, it's going to be black. And if we navigate through our preview option, we could see that it's filled out with that specific color. So let's go ahead and change this into something like green. And then let's click on fill. And if we navigate through our preview, we can then see the green color right here. So as of right now, it's just set to black. But basically from there, you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.